Full aluminum classic design with luxurious gloss. Handmade premium keycaps from aluminum craftsmen. Available in 3 classic colors: green, navy, black. High-end full aluminum Bluetooth keyboard. FINEDAY keyboard 3 aluminum edition. FINEDAY 3 keyboard used full aluminum on all parts, from the keyboard body to keycaps. Strong in moisture and non-corrosive. Its durability is excellent. A classic typewriter design made of full aluminum materials. Super fancy. Each letter on the keycap will remain clear and readable thanks to the engraving method.